Profitable but broke. That's a liquidity problem. Let's fix the question of can we pay the bills? Liquidity is how easily a business can pay their short-term debts using current assets like cash, inventory, and receivables. Working capital is a key element of liquidity, providing the money for a firm's day-to-day activities, such as buying stock and paying wages. Its formula is current assets minus current liabilities. A strong positive value is good, but low or negative values are risky. The current ratio equals current assets divided by current liabilities. It shows how many pounds of short-term assets a business holds for each £1 of short-term debt. The ideal value is roughly 1.5 to 2 to 1, or between £1.50 and £2 worth of current assets for every £1 of current liabilities. For example, current assets £300,000, current liabilities £150,000. Using our formula, this gives us a current ratio value of 2 to 1, or £2 of current assets for each £1 of current liabilities. Nice. The acid test is stricter. It excludes inventory as this takes time to turn into cash. Acid test equals current assets minus inventory divided by current liabilities. It has an ideal value of between 1 to 1.5 to 1, depending upon the type of business. Using the same business as before for our example, let's assume that inventory is £120,000. So, we subtract £120,000 from our current assets of £300,000 to give us a value of £180,000. We next divide this by the current liabilities of £150,000 to give us an answer for the acid test ratio of 1.2 to 1. Let's interpret these values in more detail. Higher ratios equal safer cash cushion, but too high may mean idle cash or slow stock. Lower ratios run the risk of missed payments. Remember to put your answer into context. Supermarkets run leaner than builders. To boost liquidity, speed up receivables, reduce excess stock, negotiate supplier terms, or use short-term finance like an overdraft, but watch the cost. Okay, let's conclude with our exam tips. For AO1, define your point, state the formula, and express your answer as a ratio. AO2, put the number into context for the business. How will it affect them? AO3, interpret the number. What does this actually mean for paying bills? AO4, evaluate with it depends on industry, seasonality, credit terms, and trends over time. Okay, that's your lot, but don't forget to check teachingbusiness.org.uk for more great resources to help with your teaching and learning of business.